Hey guys, so while I'm back here doing my grill, right? Woo, some chicken, all that stuff. I wanted to come to you guys and talk to you guys about what's going on in the real estate industry and also how the coronavirus is affecting the real estate industry. Now, for you guys that are beginners in real estate, that means that you just get your first investment property or second or third, you know, there's things that's gonna affect you, such as, they're talking about tenants don't have to pay their rent. So you might saying, well, if the tenant's not paying the rent, how am I gonna pay my mortgage? And there's a solution for you. But also I'm reaching out to the people that just have a mortgage, they don't have a rental investment property. You still can benefit from this as well, which a lot of our investors, I'm part of a real estate investment group, and a lot of us are wondering, okay, we have to reach out to our lenders, and you may need to do the same. Just as how tenant is not going to be able to pay their rents, and then you have the whole issue of, they're losing their jobs. You may have lost your job or get laid off as well. You may can't work because of the whole situation that's going on. So what you need to do is you need to reach out to your lenders and ask them about the forbearance program. You see this meat? Woo! Thick meat. But what you may want to do is you may want to reach out to your lenders, your bank, and ask them about the forbearance program. Now, some of them might tell you to wait and see what the government is gonna do. I've read where they say, well, they're gonna do something for 12 months. Well, nothing happened yet. So what you have to do is, if your mortgage is due soon, you're laid off, you have no money, your mortgage for your rental property is due soon, and your tenant is telling you that they don't have any money, then you need to reach out to your bank and let them know and ask about the forbearance program. Now, you could send them an email or you could call them. I recommend you get in touch with somebody right away. Ask them when you call if it's gonna affect your credit score. That's one thing you want to make sure that you ask them. Is it gonna affect your credit score? You want to tell them, based on what's going on with the economy right now, you either laid off, you lost your job. Some lenders are not even asking the question, they know what's going on. So they're gonna automatically delay your payment for 90 days. However, they're gonna give you different options. However, see if they could stretch that out even more. See if they could give you 6 months or 9 months. Not telling you that you have to do the 6 or 9 months, but that covers you in any case. Now, if you have rental properties and your tenants are still paying because it's not affecting them as much, then keep that money. You don't have to pay your mortgage on the property. Still keep that money as a cushion, and then after the forbearance, you start paying again. Now, they're gonna give you options as far as, remodification, if you wanna modify your loan, or if you wanna add the interest to your mortgage, whatever it is. You have to decide what you wanna do. But I know that a lot of people are hurting. I know a lot more people are gonna hurt. So with this, you have to make sure that you're prepared and you're doing the right steps right now, and not wait till your mortgage is due to go ahead and do nothing. You see? To go ahead before you start, saying, all right, let me go ahead and figure this out. Figure it out now while you have time, while the banks are not loaded up with calls because they're backed up. And I have one person that said that they were on the phone for actually 3.5 hours before they got a solution, before they were able to talk to anybody. So imagine if they take 3.5 hours, you might take 4 hours, but you still have to wait. You see what I'm saying? So make sure you guys get that done. Let me know if you have any questions. DM me, post comments. If you like the video, guys, go ahead, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys, love y'all. Take care. Bye.